Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 4 from exercise 8.3. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Principal is 12,000, rate percent, time is given, and it is you have to use it as a simple interest form. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? That means the same value, same amount, same rate percent, same time. In first case it is simple interest form, and second case it will be in compound interest form. What extra amount would I have to pay when I am giving this interest in compound interest form? So the sum is, first you arrange this in this way. When you are solving it in simple interest form solution, first case it is simple interest form. Okay, principal is rupees 12,000. Rate percent, it is already given 6%, and time 2 years. Therefore simple interest, you know the formula, and always you need to write the formula first. P into R into T by 100, 12,000 into 6 into time 2 by 100. If you cancel this, and you will get 1440. 12 into 12 and another 0. So the money is 1440. This is for simple interest. And now, as I have seen that simple interest is 1440. Now the same principal, same rate and same time, it will be used as compound interest formula. In the compound interest form, here amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, compounded annually. So put all the values. 12,000, 1 plus 6 by 100 whole to the power 2, 12,000, 100 plus 6 by 100. So 106 into 106 by 100 into 100. Why? Because it is 2 times. Now 0, 0, 2 zeros I have cancelled here, and 1 0 also. Now it is 12 into 106 into 106 by 10. 106 into 106, the result is multiply and see. 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. Again you multiply, and this 10 you can use as a to put the decimal point. The result is, now multiply these two numbers, and you will get 134832 by 10 divided as put the decimal after one place, and as it is rupees and paisa, so 13483.20. Now this is the amount. This is the amount. Now you have to find the compound interest, and you know that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So find the compound interest here. Amount is 13,483.20 and principal was 12,000. So subtract this, and you will get 1,483.20. Previously it was 1440, 1,440 for simple interest, and here it is 1,483.20. So extra amount, what extra amount you have to pay? The extra amount is therefore rupees 1,483.20 minus 1440.00. Subtract this, you will get the result of 2043. So 43.20. This is the extra amount, extra money we have to pay if we use this as a compound interest. Come to the next question. Now question number 5. Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded half yearly. What amount would he get after 6 months? Question number 1, after 6 months. Question number 2, after 1 year. So you have to do the sum in two parts. First one for 6 months timing. Second one is time is 1 year. Compounded half yearly. So you know that the formula will be slightly changed. Now principal rupees 60,000, rate 12%. Half yearly you have to mention it also. Time 6 months. 6 months means you can write half year also 1/2 year. Understood? Now write the first of all you have to write the formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200, as because it is half yearly compounded, whole to the power 2n. Now amount, you know, principal is 60,000 into 1 plus rate percent is 12 by 100 by 200 whole to the power 2 into half year means 1/2. 60,000 into 200 plus 12. Can I write 200 plus 12 in this way? 200 plus 12 by 200, and see these 2 and these 2 will be cancelled, so it is only 1. No need to give the power now. 60,000 into 212 by 200, cancel it. Now the value is, if you multiply it by 3, then you will get rupees 0 0, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 63,600. When you have invested principal as 60,000, amount you are getting rupees 63,600 when it is invested for 6 months. Now when you are investing it for 1 year, the time is 1 year. Now second case, principal 60,000 same, rate percent also same, time 1 year. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n, because again it is compounded half yearly only. So put the value 60,000, then 200 plus 12 by 200 whole to the power 2. Amount is equal to 60,000 into 212 by 200, and you can see it is 2 times, so 212 by 200. If it is possible to cancel, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 202, 2 3 is 6. Amount is equal to 3 into, you can cancel it again, 2 0 2 6 12. So the result is 3 into 106 into 212. If you multiply it, you will get the value of, so if you multiply this, you will get this amount. So here you have to find the amount only, no need to find compound interest. What amount would he get? So in the first case after 6 months, the amount is rupees this, and the second case after 1 year, amount is rupees this. These two are the answer. In separate way you have to find out. I hope whatever we have explained here you understood. Practice it, students. Thank you.